Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty and coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. So shout out to you Wiggins for sending me this unit. This unit is 13 by 6 pre-plucked, 16 inch, 180% density, loose deep wave unit. Right here I am just showing you guys what all came in the packaging. And right here I am showing you guys the wig. So this is it. This is the wig right here. And I'm going to show you guys the cap construction. The unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And yeah, that is pretty much what the wig looks like. This unit is definitely pre-plucked. You guys can see it. I was smelling the unit just because sometimes units have a little smell to it. I'm sorry y'all, my phone is just going off and off and off and off. But anyways, the unit does have a little smell to it, but it is a human hair unit, so you can get rid of that smell, honey. Don't worry about it. Right here I'm just using my Gots to Be Glued Glam Force Freeze Spray. I will have a direct link to that down below in the description box for you guys to get that if you want it. Now you will see some little white looking splotches. That is from my Sally Hansen airbrush legs. That's what I use instead of bleaching my knots, and you can easily get rid of that by using a makeup wipe. Not a makeup wipe, use a wet rag or something. I used a makeup wipe because I was too lazy to get up, but you can just use like a wet rag or something like that and it will get rid of the whiteness or whatever, the residue. It'll get rid of the residue. And yeah, y'all, the rest is just gonna be me styling this unit. I'm not gonna even tell you guys my thoughts. You're gonna have to stay tuned for the outro to know my thoughts, okay sis? But anyways, y'all, all the information about this unit will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience, as well as any other products that I use. I will have that listed down below as well, so definitely check out the description box. I don't think I'll have this spray. This is just some volumizing spray that came in my BoxyCharm, and I can never actually find a link to it. It came in my BoxyCharm, y'all, but you can just use any type of volumizing spray. I just use that just because I have it on hand and I'm gonna use some that I got. Okay, I was drowning. Right here, you see I'm drowning, wiping off all my makeup, Jesus. Anyways, y'all, stay tuned for the outro to hear my thoughts and opinions on this unit, and anything that I left out right here in this voiceover, I will be talking about in my outro. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned for the outro. Like I said, all the information about this unit will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, so love bugs, I will see you in the outro. Bye. Okay, love bug. So I am obviously done styling this hair, and this is what she got. Okay, I feel like I'm tell y'all what I feel like later on. Okay, but before I get into all of that, I'm gonna give you guys the specs, the deets, all that good stuff about this unit, and then we'll get into my thoughts and opinions. So we're gonna get into where this hair is from and any details that I have right now, and then we'll go on. You know, you guys know how we do this thing. Okay, so let's get into the specs and all that good stuff. Okay, so the hair that I am wearing today was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. So shout out to you, Wiggins Hair, for sending me this unit. I have worked with this company before, and I really, really liked the hair the first time that I worked with them. So I knew that I would like this unit. Like, whenever I work with a company and I like the hair, I don't mind ever working with them again because I already know what the hair is like, okay? And it's been a while since I worked with this company. So the hair has held up that I did the review on a while back, so I was really, really excited to work with Wiggins again. So once again, thank you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit. Now, the unit I am wearing today is a loose deep wave 13x6 lace frontal wig. They initially offered me the 20-inch, but I did go back and make sure now. Hold on, I don't want to lie to you. Yeah, they did initially offer me the 20-inch, and then I went back and I was like, no, you know, I really want the loose deep wave because, honey, you know your girl loves some loose deep wave. Okay, I do. I do. But I was like, no, I would rather try 16 inches because I feel like I did a video recently on a 20 to 22 inch loose deep wave unit, so you guys know I be trying to switch it up for you a little bit, okay? Because all these units start to look alike after a certain point, okay? So I be trying to be a little versatile for you, okay? I want to offer you different companies so you guys will have, you know, different companies to choose from and different prices or whatever, but I also want to add a little variety if I can. So anyways, if you guys are interested in this unit, all the information, anything else that I left out about the wig, I will have listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So once again, shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit. Okay, now we will get into how I feel about this wig. So like I always say, or like I've been saying recently, if you're not interested in my thoughts and opinions or my review on this unit, you just want to see the wig and get the specs and blah, 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 I get it, sis, okay? This is for you to exit stage left. And for those of you who are interested in my review on this wig, then you continue to watch, boo, okay? Okay, so my thoughts and opinions on this wig. I think this wig is really, really, really nice. I do love loose deep wave units. Like, I feel like they're a whole look, it's a whole vibe. I've never owned a loose deep wave wig that I didn't really, really like. Like, I just love that texture. Now, you guys know, some of you know, that I really, really like kinky units. But when it comes to curly units, loose deep wave is probably my favorite curly unit that's not kinky. Okay, when it comes to kinky, honey, kinky hands down is where it's at. Okay, I love me some kinky wigs. But when it comes to just curly units, I do prefer loose deep curl. So is it loose deep curl or loose deep wave? Because I give some a name and it ain't even it. It's loose deep wave. Okay, but I have a tendency to add curly and wavy together. Like, it looks curly to me, so I'm adding it in the curly section because I know there is a loose deep curl, but this is loose deep wave, honey, and I'm feeling it. I really like it. I like the length too. I feel like it's a good length. We are heading into fall at some point. Okay, we're not there yet, but we are heading into fall. I am a fall baby. I'm a September baby. So I really like the fall, and I feel like 16 inches is like mid-back. I feel like it's perfect fall length. Like, it's not too long and it's not too short. It's just like right there where you need to be. So I really am feeling this length and all of that about this wig. I think it is really, really, it's just a really nice unit to me. To me. Okay. So as for the baby hairs and all that good stuff, I really didn't have to do anything to the baby hairs other than lay them down. They really came like this. Now, if you're not a baby hair fan, you don't have to do all this, okay? These baby hairs are extra, okay? Like me, like my eyelashes are today, okay? I'm trying to get on the trend. You guys know these lashes look like butterfly lashes, but I want to give it a shot, okay? Don't judge me, okay? I can be extra. Usually not this extra, but I wanted to give it a shot, okay? I got these from Amazon. Anyways, y'all, I'm digressing. But yeah, these are the baby hairs. They are extra, but you don't have to personally do any extra baby hairs. Like if that is not your swag, if that's not your thing, then you don't have to do it, okay? The unit comes where you don't have to lay down baby hairs, but if you want to, honey, it's there, okay? I like that. I like that I didn't have to do any customizing of these baby hairs, that they were already extra like I like them. Now, if you don't like extra baby hairs, then you will have to do a little bit of customization. You know, if you want baby hairs, but you don't want to be extra like this, like if you don't want all that, then you will have to do a little bit more work. But if you do, it come like that, okay? I really like the hairline. I just think it's a really, really nice wig. The parting space is really good. All I did to my parting space is add my concealer, and then I applied my pressed powder to set the concealer, and that is pretty much it. Now, when it comes to tangling and shedding and all that good stuff, I have not noticed any tangling. Like, I have been able to just run my finger through this hair. I don't want to do it too much because I want to keep it like it is. Like, I really like this, and I know with loose deep wave, the more I run my fingers through it, the more big it's going to get, and it will also get a little more frizzy, and that's not what I want right now, okay? I want it just like it is for now, okay? That's how I want it. So I'm not going to do a whole lot to it. But I haven't noticed any tangles. So I really, really like it. I think it is I just like the unit, okay? You got, can you tell that I like the unit? Like, I'm feeling myself today, okay? I am definitely feeling myself today. So yeah, I like that it doesn't have any shedding or any tangling. I didn't even notice any shedding around the ear part, because you guys know I do tend to cut the hair when I cut around the ear. I didn't even notice any there. So shout out to you, Wiggins, okay? You the real MVP. Okay, so as far as the cap size, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, they do offer a cap size, small, medium, or large. I do have a medium cap size, and it fits me perfectly. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small. Like, it's the perfect medium. And I was really glad about that, because I do like a little wiggle room, and I felt like I had a little wiggle room with it. So it's like, it's the way I like it. So if you do, if you don't wear a standard cap size, usually I can fit a standard cap size, but I know my small head girls can't and my large head girls can't. So it's really, really good when a company has the option to do small, medium, or large. And they did ask me what color lace that I wanted, and it was a choice between medium, brown, or transparent. So they do give you that option as well. Some of you guys know I do use my Sally Hansen airbrush legs, and I was too lazy to get up and get a rag, so I used a makeup wipe. So you may still see some of my Sally Hansen airbrush legs on there, because I do not bleach my knots, because she lazy. She ain't got time. Okay, she ain't got time. I still work a full-time job, okay? I ain't got time. But that's what this looked like, and I will have a direct link to this down below in the description box for you guys to check that out as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna give you guys a length check and a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this unit is 16 inches, and I am 5'4". So this is all of the hair brought to the front. Like, this is literally all the hair. I forgot to mention that this hair is 180% density. I probably will mention it in my voiceover at the very beginning of this video, but I want to mention that again. So keep that in mind. It's 180% density, and I feel like it's a really nice density. I like the density. I just like the hair overall. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Yes, honey, she felt like giving you guys all white today, okay? I felt like that would be a whole vibe. Is it a vibe? Is it a vibe, sis? I feel like it's a vibe. It's a vibe for me. Okay, it's a vibe for you. Okay. Anyways, y'all, that is pretty much it. All of the information about this hair will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience if you are interested in checking this out. All of that will be down there, as well as a direct link to this unit. And shout out again, once again, to you, Wiggins Hair, for sending me this unit. I am not disappointed, okay? She is feeling it. It's a whole look, okay? It's a vibe. So, once again, shout out to you, Wiggins Hair. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Like, what's good? Click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.